we've just acquired this absolutely stunning Mercedes E-Class diesel AMG Sport. Got a massive, huge amount of spec on it. It's got front park distance control, it's got full AMG body styling, AMG star spoke alloy wheels, privacy sun protection glass to the rear. It's got rear park distance control and does have a reverse camera as well. Absolutely gleaming black, it is beautiful. It absolutely drives and looks outstanding, nothing like its mileage. It's an electric tailgate. We've even got a boot protector liner in there, the original AMG carpet mats and the boot luggage load cover. Not even any marks on the bumper there, which usually there are. It's so looked after. Just go in there, you see the half leather Alcantara trim. Electric windows, electric mirrors. We've got memory electric seats and heated seats. Beautiful interior. Oh, forgot the piston resistance. The electric tilt and slide sunroof. That's very rare. Automatic headlights, satellite navigation. The list just goes on this car. We've got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. It's done 115, 405 miles. As I said, satellite navigation. Reverse camera, 3-stage heated seats, climate control air conditioning. It is freezing cold, I've just had it on. Augs and USB. What else do we have? Oh, Bluetooth connectivity for audio and phone. It's just absolutely lovely, this car is. Sunroof, I showed you that, didn't I? DJs with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.